Hello YouTube, welcome to Angelo Crypto. In this session we will be covering AMD. There have been some interesting developments recently with this company. First thing first, going to the most recent news on December 23, AMD announced that it will buy 2.1 billion worth of wafers, and no, those are not candies. These are parts for chips processing, and basically the company will do this investment through the period of 2022 and 2024. And yeah, that's a big investment. The company is going aggressive on its projects, and yeah, that's some good news for long-term investors. This company wants to grow and is taking the right steps to do that. Looking at the more recent developments and the short-term action, if we look at the chart, we see some patterns. First thing first, as of right now, we have crossed the 40-day moving average. So yeah, that's some sign that, hey, this stock is getting momentum and it's going to go somewhere. Next, looking at the volume analysis, we have had constant and okay volume for the past week. We have traded below the average, so that kind of doesn't give us a full bullish sign. If we had a stronger volume, that would have been better. Looking at the momentum side, the stochastic MACD, we are getting a cross but near the mid-level, and the fact that that cross is also correlating at the same time with the confirmation from crossing the moving average, well, that's a positive sign. Next, if we go to more details with the balance of market power, we can see that, well, the bears have lost their power. We can see the red bars over here getting slower, getting smaller and smaller, and we can see this nice switch, red to green. So the bulls are back. Basically, that also correlates with the trend that we are seeing on the price. So yeah, these are overall positive signs that this stock is going to have some nice action on the way up. For the upcoming week, I do expect the price to finish higher than we are as of right now. We also need to remember that during the end of the year, people buy gifts and that, and this company is good because it makes semiconductors, so games and all kinds of processors. This company will benefit from this increase in sales. So yeah, that's gonna positively affect the stock. So yeah, we expect this company to have to get some of the end of the year rally effect and to benefit from a nice uptick on the price. We do need to remember that we do have to have some volume that is above moving average, above the average volume, so that would be a really good scenario. But as of right now, we don't have that, but the indicators are telling us that we are on the verge to start a possible, well, new bull trend that's gonna proceed. Next, looking at some more details about the company, about its long-term approach, looking at some of its metrics and fundamentals, well, we can see that when it comes to EPS, the company has been constantly beat the analysts' expectation for the past 4 quarters. The next expected EPS is 0.76, which is higher than what we are right now. So that means overall, NVIDIA, overall people expect good things about AMD. We don't know where is gonna be the actual result. Is it gonna be higher, lower? How much is gonna surprise the analysts? But overall, the expectations are positive. Looking at the past trends, quarter to quarter, we see that revenue has been growing. The only thing that is to worry about a bit is this decline, this change in earnings that we had from 20 to 2021. We are still not back at the same levels of profitability that we were in 2020, but we are seeing a positive trend when it comes to their earnings. So yeah, they have been doing definitely something good over the over the past quarters, and we do expect them to keep up the trend like that. Some recent developments is that Putnam Variable Trust has bought into AMD stock, so that's good. Another institutional investors, buying into the company. That's very good, and that gives sign that hey, this company is doing something good. Looking at the overall distribution when it comes to institutional ownership, we can see that over the past 12 months we have almost equalish inflow and outflow, 10.29 billion, 10.04 billion. So yeah, couple of a small difference over there, but doesn't change the fact that it is still positive. There's a bullish approach from institutional investors. So yeah, that gives some sign that again the company is good and the institutional investors are trusting this company. As of right now, there's a lot of ownership into this company. 67% is owned by institutions, and yeah, that's good because that again gives another sign that the big money is interested in this company. So they definitely are doing something good. Next, a last detail looking at the short percent, we are at 5.97 as of right now. So at this area that we are, there's not any crazy bear pressure that's going on or any short interest. So yeah, that again gives a sign that since there's not much or like a high, short interest, at least investors are not expecting this stock to go down. So yeah, again, judging the stock on the short term, I am bullish on it, and on the long term, also bullish on it. Alright guys, that was for today's session. Thank you for watching Angelo Crypto, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.